Okay, go. Okay, stop. All right, that'll do. Then figure eights. All right, now gently put it in. That's it, go. Oh, you had it then. Go, go, go. All right, that'll do it. Stop. We don't want to jam it in. You got to do a little bit at a time. Yeah. Let's go. How's it cooking? Interesting.
Looks like I have super strong abs when I'm standing like this. You know, like Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
When he did
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. But it's no, we should do it the opposite way.
What's the water? What's the water?
Sorry, Captain.
Sorry, my captain, my glorious captain. That's what it is. Maybe you should wait for an hour. The girls are keen to eat. We left a bit late because I tried to do uploads, but no uploads work, of course, people. Crazy. Okay girls, I gotta pay attention now because we're around reefs. It's gonna be hard to see the reefs.
Captain!
What's that?
See the black pearl! Can you sing My Heart Will Go On?
No. I don't even know how that song goes. The girls are enjoying sailing in the rain. That's good. No seasickness, all happy. Lucky's finishing school, people. Yep, I can also teach them to walk like a duck. Very good. Very good. Yes, this is Plucky's finishing school. You want any of your young ladies to be finished off in sailing style? This is the boat. Send your young ladies along to me. They'll learn to do the grand plie in some swell, balance some water on their head, pump the shitter, kill a fish, gut it, could do basic mechanics, pull apart the shitter, pull apart the starter motor. I think I might be onto something here, people. Maybe there's something in this finishing school idea. I might start a business. She didn't know how to do any of that. Comes to my finished school, look what happens. I can go up about a quarter as high as that.
You can just go as high as to reach the coconut.
Whoa! 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 Piece of coconut came and landed on the lens. Fun and games aside, Plucky's finishing school is about peak physical fitness and discipline. Yes, we also have fun while being disciplined. Yeah, wiggle those feet. We also have super intensive discipline. Okay, that's enough. You can be too disciplined, people, which leads to stagnation of the soul. At Pluggy's finishing school, we'll get him in the shape too, people. We've got a bit of flab, all gone. Carrots, beetroot, cabbage salad. They'll be fine within a couple of weeks. Supermodel material. And we also do this, although I don't know what the hell this is. But we do it nonetheless. Okay, we need to bring in the head sail. And of course, train to be instantly responsive to all situation and command. Whoa, baby. So you got to release the sheet. And then it'll start to flog. And start pulling in that furling line. And Katrina, you watch. Doing a good job.
Thank you.
Keep going, almost there. One more. All right, we're done. All right. Okay, look at what you're doing and look at our direction. Just hold it there. Actually, can you go back to the main and pull it on harder? So pull that rope on. That's it. Because I need some power to bring me around. Okay, that'll do. That'll do it. Can you bring the main on again? Okay, Steffi, go! And no, don't worry about that now.
No, drop it.
Yeah, no, not quite yet. Yeah, go forward. Jesus. Just bring it in a little bit. Oh, bugger. I have to go forward to unjam the chain. Look at that, people. Perfect placement. Exactly where we wanted. The only stuff up we had was the chain was all jumbled from our sailing. So when you haul it in from the previous anchorage, it forms a bit of a mountain. And as you're sailing along, it sort of jostles around and then it gets tangled. So you need to... Actually, you need to be prepared for that, because when you're coming in under sail, you want to drop it where you want to drop it. Anyway, we still did it. It's all good. Perfect. And we've got the island right at the back. How good's that? They're doing tremendously well. I've never seen so much fun had on a miserable sailing day. Like, oh,
Good on him. When did you hurt yourself? Was it yesterday or the day before?
The day before.
Okay. Right.
Well, looks good.
I think you'll live. I think
What?
you'll live.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, a little bit yellow there. Seems good.
That's the worst one?
Yeah, the other foot is completely okay. There's nothing.
Okay.
So, I think it's. Well,
You don't want to dry it out? If I'm doing reef walking or something like that, I put ligament tape or some bandage. Other than that, I let it dry out. But I'm no expert. Sweet potato, smoked carcass. The Geeko guy's pretty happy. Or is it Geico? Geeko, I don't know. First time for salted smoked fish.
Is it also salted?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yes. And I'm going to have the rusty knife. She's a killer. She's a killer, people.
No.
Alright, what do you think? Have you tried the smoked today?
Yeah.
How good is it?
It's great.
Yeah? You have to think about it. I don't think she likes it. Lisa raved about it. She just wanted it all the time. She wanted it for breakfast. She wanted milkshakes with salted fish, smoked fish, chocolate coated salted smoked fish. But try it with the sweet potato.
The combination is
Yeah,
just
it's the best.
chef's kiss.
Yeah. What's that mean? Is that Lithuanian?
What?
What you just said?
I said chef's kiss.
Oh, really?
Kisses to the chef.
Oh, okay. Well, I just stuck it between two sinks and burnt the hell out of it. There's not much skill there, people. Okay, alright, let's try it. Bon appetit, people. Hope you're having a carcass at home. Nothing better than a carcass. Does anyone want a carcass?
A carcass? Just the skeleton?
Carcass.
Carcass.
Does anyone want a carcass?
No thanks. Something you did.
The lengths some girls go to get mayonnaise, people.
Delicious.
Oh.
Well, not making you ill.
I'm feeling something inside.
Really?
Something.
Well, that was bloody good. That was excellent. That was the first meal. I don't know if they liked it as much as Lisa liked it. They're a bit hesitant. I said, come on, you can be honest. But you actually liked it or you didn't like it?
I liked it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hot chocolate!
Wow! Thank you! Oh, hot. Hot.
Steffi, your hot chocolate's on the fridge. There's lots of love in it, so you don't need much sugar.